What would you recommend to this, our graduating batch of GETs, MTs, who are now going to become executive in the organization? A challenge or a homework or an assignment that will help them not only deliver value to the organization, but also develop a sense of purpose of themselves. And some of the stories that were shared, I'm sure that no one is just the degree. मैं mechanical engineer हूँ, मैं chemical engineer हूँ, electrical engineer हूँ. There are many different facets to people that we would want to encourage to bring to the organization, because rightly said, we don't know where this innovation is going to come.
I'll give 4-part assignment.
And by the way, this is videotape, so everyone here is going to get this as a video copy.
And share with other volunteers. Those who are not here, but if they wish to participate, give them an opportunity. It's voluntary. But I'm sure those who are not here should not miss it because they're not here. They should also get a chance. And not just the new people, if the existing staff also want to contribute, they are welcome.
Yes, everyone.
So first is find a resource grossly underutilized in the company and around. Grossly underutilized. It could be waste, it could be machine, it could be material, it could be people, it could be anything. Space, anything. But something that you feel is grossly underutilized. And if only this could be utilized better, even roof of the building, क्यों भैया क्या ध्वनित वो भी तो ग्रॉसली अंडर यूटिलाइज है ना. तो जब सबको अब मैंने बता दिया, इसका मतलब ये सब लोग रूफ नहीं लिखेंगे, और भी चीजें देखो आप साथ. ग्रॉसली अंडर यूटिलाइज्ड. सेकंड, समथिंग which is abundantly available, for example waste of certain kind, where you can see an opportunity, and you should have sufficient footnotes and references to make a point that it is an opportunity. ऐसे लिखने से नहीं मानेंगे, तो रिसर्च करना उसके ऊपर, है ना? So that when you say something, other people will listen to you. Third is a dream that you would like to pursue yourself, and be unconstrained. And any impact, where would you like to make an impact? After 20 years, somebody asks you a question, कहाँ थे भाई तुम? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है दुनिया में जो अगर आप नहीं आते तो नहीं बनती? ये सवाल पूछने वाला है ना. We are all accountable to ourselves. अपनी आत्मा को तो जवाब देना पड़ेगा. 20 साल बाद कोई पूछे आपसे, ध्वनित आप आए इस दुनिया में, 20 साल में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ थी जो अगर ध्वनित नहीं आता दुनिया में तो नहीं होती थी? कोई प्रोसेस हो, कोई प्रोडक्ट हो, कोई टेक्निक हो, कुछ तो हो जो अगर, वरना तो आप आए या नहीं आए फर्क क्या पड़ा? भाई, don't mind my saying this, but that's a fact of the matter. You have just existed, you have not lived. ठीक है? That is third. And fourth is find the potential of someone else that you think he or she is not really harnessing. आपको बात पता लग गया, सर इसके पास ये क्या, this fellow can fix a problem of this kind in a minute. हम लोग सोचते रहते हैं, वो कर देता है फटाफट. ऐसे लोग होते हैं ना. ढूंढो, identify their talent. It is all right to talk about oneself. It is even better to find potential of others. मैंने तो पूरी जिंदगी यही काम किया है ना भाई. I only look for innovations in others.
Absolutely.
है ना? पूरी लाइफ मैंने इस पे लगाई है. And I'm so happy. It gives me so much happiness. I cannot tell you. All the time I'm charged because I meet people. There was just a last example. In Amreli, we had a Shodhyatra, 46 Shodhyatra just recently. So there is one Mr. Joshi. When there was a shortage of oxygen, you know that many of you had to work out and provide oxygen for saving life of the COVID affected people. In that town also they needed that. So now they could find cylinders in which oxygen was there, but they did not have the flow meter and regulator. And for regulator and flow meter, for patient, you need many parameters. Pressure should be changed because patient may not need the same supply of oxygen all the time. So flow होना चाहिए. जो ट्यूब होती है उसकी, उसमें प्रेशर के अंदर आएगी वो. प्रेशर टॉलरेंस होना चाहिए उस ट्यूब के अंदर. Tube should not burst out. So he collected all the parameters from the doctor as to what should this flow meter look like and have property for the cylinder that he had. उसने डिजाइन किया रियल टाइम, 150 बनाए, फ्री में बांटे फॉर होम क्वारंटाइन. सिलेंडर था, फ्लो मीटर नहीं था यार. नेचुरली ऑक्सीजन जो सिलेंडर बनाते हैं वो फ्लो मीटर थोड़ी बनाते हैं, वो तो इंडस्ट्रियल प्लांट के लिए बनाते थे. वहां फ्लो मीटर क्यों चाहिए? हॉस्पिटल में चाहिए होता है. हॉस्पिटल के लिए सिलेंडर बना नहीं था, तो देयर वाज अ मिसमैच. हाउ डिड इट हैपन? This man recognized that he had a talent and potential. He realized the problem. He solved that problem in real time. मतलब आपके पास सालों नहीं है रिसर्च करने के लिए. This kind of emergency innovation जिसको बोल सकते हैं ना आप, innovations in emergency. प्रॉब्लम है, अभी सॉल्व करना है इसको भाई, मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, कहीं लीकेज है, कहीं कुछ और प्रॉब्लम है. You can't wait. Disasters can happen. Yesterday I was talking in a meeting on National Disaster Management Institute. So we need to be prepared and be ready and be able to anticipate and be able to provide solutions. Real time में solution किया उसने. That gave me a lot of energy. Thank God bless that man and his spirit. उसने 150 लोगों की जान बचाई और बाद में किसी और लोगों ने यूज किया होगा सिलेंडर. So I will conclude by saying that the day you are not surprised, you have not lived. The day you are not surprised, you have not lived. You have just existed. The moment you say, my God, I didn't know this, that's the moment you really lived.
Yeah.
Which can only happen when you come across something remarkable, something beyond my imagination, something I didn't know. So we have to benchmark our level of ignorance every single day. Every single day. Not month, not week. So if you can mention one thing, one additional element in this, when did you get surprised last time? And if it was 1 month ago, 2 months ago, remember, or 3 months ago, or 1 year ago, then remember for that 1 year, last 1 year you have not lived really. I'm sorry. That's my judgment. You've existed. How is it possible that last 1 month, last 1 year, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ जिससे आपको ताजुब होता? तो मतलब इनोवेशन आई नहीं आपकी जिंदगी में, कुछ नया चीज आई नहीं, सच का मतलब जो आपके इमेजिनेशन से बाहर थी. That is when we say, my God, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay? Something beyond your imagination. And you know what? The more I find this, my imagination landscape becomes bigger and bigger. I can imagine better.